Hey guys, it's Taylor. Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great week so far. So today I'm just gonna be having a super productive slash healthy day in my life, and I thought I would take you guys along with me. Of course, getting in a workout. I've been trying really hard to be consistent, and I also just want to eat healthy all day. So I'll show you guys what I'm eating, you know, what I get up to today. So I hope you guys enjoy. I think I'm gonna make a smoothie really quick for breakfast because I haven't eaten anything. I only had coffee, but I also have these bananas that are super ripe, and I feel like I should use them before they go bad. And the easiest way is to just throw them in a smoothie. I think I'm gonna make a very simple smoothie because I honestly don't have much ingredients. So I'll probably just do like almond milk, spinach, banana, cinnamon. I don't even know if this is gonna taste good, but let's just throw it all together and find out. What you doing? She's hungry. She really wants some lunch. What are you doing? Why are you on my counter? All right, time to try it out. I actually ended up adding some ice just to make it a little thicker. Wow, it's so good. Very strong banana flavor, but very, very good. Okay, so while I'm actually sipping on my smoothie, I'm gonna be making some protein balls. I've been really wanting to make them recently because they're so easy to make, first of all, and they're so yummy. I used to make them all the time. And they're just like perfect for like a healthy dessert, healthy snack, or even like a quick on-the-go breakfast. So I just thought it'd be nice to make some. Just got out all the ingredients. First of all, we have some protein powder. This is the PE Science like chocolate cupcake one. It's super good. And these are gonna be chocolate protein balls. So yeah, it's perfect. And then we also have some cocoa powder. This recipe actually says that I should use chocolate chips, but I don't have any. So we're just gonna skip that. You can add those if you want to, if you have them, but I don't. I feel like this is a lot of chocolate though, so I don't know why you really need the chocolate chips, but whatever. And then we have some peanut butter, some rolled oats, honey, and some chia seeds. Together all the ingredients in this bowl, and now I'm gonna put it in the fridge for like 10 minutes because it'll make the dough easier to roll. But yeah, this recipe is so friggin' easy. Like, I definitely need to make these more. Alright, they're all done, guys. It looks so yummy. I need to have one right now. I was gonna wait until after a workout to have one, but I mean, they just look so good. I just can't wait. So I'm gonna try this one. Yum, they're so good. I'm about to head down to the gym. I think I'm gonna do a new workout today because I'm just trying to switch things up, you know, vary my workouts, and I really wanna get in some cardio. So I think I'm gonna do cycling today. I've literally never cycled before ever, but they have cycling machines like on the second floor of our gym. So I thought, you know, maybe I should try it out. And it's apparently a really good workout and can help like strengthen your legs and glutes. Hey Nala, you cutie pie. Gym OOTD today is a Forever 21 crop t-shirt. I think I was wearing this honestly in my last video, but yeah. And then Target crop top, and yeah, it's a matching set. The set is actually ribbed. It's so cute. I love it. That is so much harder and tiring than it looks. I just took a quick body shower. I actually washed my hair the other day, so I didn't need to do that, but I changed into some other clothes. I feel like it's super cute. And I also did a little more makeup because, you know, why not? I'm breaking out a little. I don't know what that's from. I feel like it might be from my mask maybe. Yeah, I'm super hungry now, so we're gonna go make some lunch. That smoothie and protein ball did not do it for me. I don't know what I'm gonna make yet though. Maybe some salmon or something. This is what I decided on for lunch. I just found it on Pinterest, but it's just like a salmon sandwich on an English muffin with avocado and spinach. It looks pretty bomb, so let's try it out. So I'm first gonna cook some salmon in my air fryer. I just topped it with salt, pepper, and garlic, and it's gonna go in here for like 8 minutes. Oh guys, I kind of snapped today for lunch. This looks so good. We have some sweet potato chips and blueberries and our sandwich. I haven't closed it yet because it just looks so pretty like this. I seasoned the avocado with salt, pepper, and some vinegar, and then I added some mustard on top, and I literally only had mustard packets because I forgot to buy some at the store. But yeah, this looks so yummy. I'll let you guys know how it is. That was a very messy but delicious sandwich, but sometimes those are honestly like the best ones. Anyway, Ari and I are gonna head out pretty quick to go get some work done for his business with his friend. So we'll just be gone for a couple hours and then I will come back and I will see you guys later. Guys, I'm home now. It's like 7:30 and I'm actually making some dinner, so let me show you what I'm making. It smells so good in here. So first of all, we have some garlic chicken sausage. This is not the one that I usually get. They were out of that one, so I just got this and it's actually so good. Then we have some pasta cooking over here. This is just some brown rice fusilli pasta from Trader Joe's. I also cut up some tomato and yellow onion. I also cut up some tomato and yellow onion, and I'm actually going to toss this in the pan with the chicken sausage and saute it for a little bit. Finish off the pasta, I just add some olive oil, some umami seasoning. This stuff is so amazing, especially on pasta. And then I always, of course, have to add some spice, the red chili pepper flakes, and yeah, it's literally the best meal ever. I'm actually gonna eat my dinner while I watch this new show that I'm obsessed with. It's called Quicksand. It's basically like a crazy thriller, like kind of crime show, but not really, just like a drama. And it's so insane. It's like a Netflix original. You guys should check it out if you like thrillers. And yeah, it's so addicting. It's so good. I'm on episode 4, so I'm really excited to watch it. All right, so I think I'm gonna end the video here because I actually need to get this video edited for tomorrow. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.